Hi, my name is Ramūnas Turčauskas. I am a leading researcher in Latvian State Institute of Wood Chemistry, and I would like to introduce our project, which are currently implementing under the National Research Program. In this project, we are investigating ecological particle board made of pine sawdust and ecological binder called suberinic acid.
My name is Rudolfs, and I obtained suberinic acid for the project in this 70-liter steel reactor.
Suberinic acids are obtained from birch outer bark, which is milled and fractionated. Then the depolymerization of birch outer bark is carried out in alkaline medium to obtain suberinic acid salts. Then the salts are acidified to obtain the acids, which are used as binder for particle board and for coating.
So we have pine sawdust prepared by longitudinal cutting by sawblade, and we have suberinic acids. We are mixing them together, drying them, and then hot pressing to make ecological particle board. After we have obtained our particle board, we are going them for mechanical testing. Here is Gunnars. He is now preparing our samples for internal bonding testing. This is Andris. He is testing our samples for water resistance by immersing them in water for 24 hours. This is Marnic. He is testing our samples for bending strength. The purpose of our research is development of ecological particle board suitable for cabinet furniture application.